Hi, my name is Wayne Dean. I'm with a business known as Smart Ventilation Incorporated. If you're considering a radon mitigation system in South Florida, which would be probably a mechanical ventilation system, then you should know about the filters that are available to you and what you're going to get. Filters are not often described by the folks who install them, so you really don't know what you're getting until after you got it. The first item is that frequently a air intake, which is similar to this one, is installed on the outside of the building. And this air intake has no filter inside of it, so anything that passes by in front of this grill that will fit through the openings in the grill will go right inside. They'll pass through the fan, which will chop the parts up and then blow them on into the breathing zone. The second type of filter that you may get looks identical to this one, except the difference is that it has inside a piece of polyester fluff. And polyester fluff is fitted inside of the housing, and the cover is put over the top of it. And this is probably considerably better than the no filter. However, there's a real problem with this one. It doesn't do a very good job of filtering until it gets loaded with dirt. And it gets loaded with dirt fairly quickly because it's fairly small. You can see on the backside, that's not a really big filter area. And once it's clogged, air does not pass through it and into the home, and the home is no longer mitigated for radon by either dilution or by pressurization. The problem with that particular one is that in order to service it, and service is required every 60 to 90 days, you have to get out of the ladder, climb the ladder, go up to the grill, take the grill out of it, take the filter material out of it, take the filter, go down the ladder, go into the kitchen, wash the filter out, come back outside, climb the ladder, put the filter back in place inside the housing like this, and put the cover back on, then climb back down the ladder and put the ladder away. I think there's a better way than that, and I've made an invention that I call the Smart Ventilation Type 3 filter system. And this filter system is good for new installations, and it's also designed to be a retrofit. If someone has a radon mitigation system that has a filter which needs a high service, they can swap it out. I'll tell you about this Type 3 filter in the next video.